If you want to call and set up a voicemail on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we're gonna go to the phone app. Now, once you open the phone app, then over here we should be able to simply press and hold number 1 once we have the keypad opened. So if you press and hold number 1, you should be able to speed dial your voicemail pretty easily. And then of course you can listen to it in order to set it up and so on and so forth. Now, in case you cannot really access voicemail like that, because of incorrect voicemail number, or maybe you don't have the voicemail number set up for some reason, and then we can tap on these 3 dots in the upper right corner and we can go to settings. Over here in settings we should be able to scroll down and go to voicemail, and then over here in voicemail we should be able to find the voicemail number. We can tap over here in order to edit the voicemail number. If you don't know what number you need to enter over here, you can simply try to ask your carrier or service provider by contacting them or the support, or you can simply try to Google that information. Leave a like and subscribe.